Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Daniel and I help photographers like you create meaningful portraits and successful portrait photography businesses. In today's session, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset the preferences of Lightroom. Now you're going to be asking me, well, Dan, why would I have to do this? The reason behind this is if you've got issues with your Lightroom being slow or buggy and crashing, and you've tried all of the other optimization steps, including the steps that I share on my channel in this link above here. I've got a whole video that shows you all of the things you can do to optimize Lightroom. If none of that works, then it's time to reset the preferences of Lightroom. And it's a very simple process. What we're going to do is close off Lightroom. We're going to quit completely out of it. Yes, I really want to quit. And I'm going to skip the backup this time. And what we want to do in this case is reset the preferences. And the way to do that is very simple. So on my taskbar at the bottom here, I've got Lightroom as a shortcut. And if you're on a Mac, you're going to press down Shift and Option whilst opening Lightroom Classic. If you're on a PC, you're going to press Shift and Alt and click the Lightroom logo at the same time to bring up this little preferences panel. Reset Lightroom Classic preferences. All preferences stored in Lightroom Classic, preferences will be reset to their default. So it's like starting Lightroom Classic fresh. So all you need to do is click Reset Preferences. Now, after this opens, you might find that the panels that you used to have are not in place. These are some of the changes that's going to happen. It's going to reset itself to its defaults. Now, I don't need to do it in this case, but you might need to reset the preferences, and hopefully the bugs and lagginess and the slow issues that you've got will hopefully be resolved because you're resetting Lightroom's preferences, and it's kind of like having a fresh installation of Lightroom Classic on your system. So, like I said, if the optimization steps that I've shared in the link above don't work, then try to hard reset Lightroom. In other words, reset Lightroom's preferences. And that usually takes care of a lot of the issues that you might be experiencing. So folks, there you have it. It's a very simple, quick tip today, but I thought I'd share it with you guys because I know that I've used this in the past to overcome some of the bugs that I've had with Lightroom Classic. Friends, thank you very much for the awesome support. If you found this video useful, do subscribe to the channel. I much appreciate it. And we'll see you in the next session. Cheers for now.